Hey guys, welcome back to Unicorn Kids. I'm Peyton. Rhea.
Oh, I'm Rhea.
Yeah. I'm just kidding. So today we're doing a squishy collection. Obviously, you know, in the old phone, not the old phone, the last video, I got a new phone, obviously. But, you know, I told you I can't film on it. So I'm filming on the OG phone. The first video I ever filmed was on this one.
Phone?
This one.
Is that when you got OG Potato?
No.
Original gangster.
So, I'm going to show mine. So.
And then I'll show mine next.
I don't know where the other one is. But I have these stress balls. They're not really squishies. Oh, it's right here. Okay. This one? Well, yeah. I have this Hatchimal one with silver wings. And a pink. Okay, let me say. There's a lot of... So, a lot of people call it macarons or macaroons.
Macaroons.
I call these macarons. Yeah. Yeah. This is a rare or uncommon, I think. You hear this bag? That's 29 squishies fit in a bag. Skinny. So,
What voice was that?
I don't know. This one's a mini. Not a mini. A minion.
She also gave 2 to me.
Yes, I gave her 2 buns. 2, like, panda buns, but they weren't panda buns. They were, like, a seal and, like, one of these faces.
And I have fins. They were just here.
It was a seal face, basically.
When you show them your circle one.
It's a bun.
Yeah,
So I'm missing 3. My 3 new ones for Christmas. It was a dog, a cake, and an owl. And Rhea's missing 5.
No?
Yes, your fox, your 2 panda bun ones, which I mean by the
1 panda one.
not right here, right now. I mean, like you don't have them right now. Her fox, her 2 bun squishies,
My ice cream bunny.
her ice cream bunny, and there was another one.
My Hatchimal.
Yeah, her Hatchimal. The one like this, but it was a different color. Okay, I got this minion cake swirl. Very squishy. I had this pink cake swirl, nothing on it.
I had this. It was like a squishy, rubbery squishy. It was full of beads, and it popped right open. I got it for $1.
Rhea, oh, you're also missing your hamburger.
I know where that is.
Where is it?
No, I don't.
Exactly. She has a hamburger, but it's like has a big hole in it, and it has sesame seeds on top instead of a
I was
face.
trying to make it look like somebody bit into the hamburger.
I'm pretty sure Paisley bit that open.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, and it's very squishy.
I know where it is.
I have this basketball. Nothing really to say about it. From Dollar Tree. This Hello Kitty. It used to have sprinkles on it, but kind of took them off. Next one is this pink Hello Kitty swirl. Just in case I didn't show them on camera because I had it facing me. Minion swirl, pink cake swirl. Those are Rhea's. She'll show those later. Hello Kitty with no sprinkles. I showed that in the rear facing camera. Hamburger with a face and basketball. Come back here, basketball. Okay. That's not it. Hold on. Guys, this is an Eye Bloom Peach Squishy. And yes, it is ripped open and dirty inside because it was ripped open. My friend gave it to me with only this kind of part of here, like only the stem part attached, and then one time it just ripped apart. But it is, if you put them together like this, very squishy. It's actually smells like peach. Maybe.
I'm gonna go get my hamburger.
Next I have this cookie my mom gave me from Party City. But it does have this little, sorry guys, Paisley's trying to get her food. Yeah, ooh, the PlayStation fell. Oh! Rhea, hurry! The PlayStation. I'm just gonna pick this up because, like, I'm not trying to get that broken. Okay, she found her hamburger.
I'm showing it after.
But it has this little thing right here. It has a little bite. I
See,
really like it.
this is what they look like.
So next, I'm gonna
Except they have
put all my little bun right here. Here, I'm gonna hand you your. Look at her burritos. This is sad. It's mozzarella cheese. You need American. I mean cheddar, not American.
What's that? My mother used all the mozzarellas.
She said monster-ellas.
Oh my god! What happened to that squishy?
This one?
Oh, sissy.
Oh yeah. So we'll start with these 3.
Oh, that's what one of mine look like.
My friend has big versions of these. She said she's gonna give me more Squishies. So whenever I go,
look like this.
yeah, whenever I go back to her house, I'm gonna get more Squishies.
What about this one? And this one?
That's not I'm not tiny buns. I meant.
Oh.
Yeah, these
there's a hole in
nothing
here.
pink and bolt. I know. It's because you decided, guys. She stole my pink panda, my big panda bun, took it to school without me knowing, and gave it to her friend.
Look at this one.
So now there's a big hole in it. There's that on it. This is all teared up. There's that there. Thanks to this lady.
This lady.
She's.
Have you showed them this?
Not yet. Right. Then I have, this one's a Gudetama. This one's just like a little kawaii face. If any of you know what that means, and this one doesn't have it. This, yeah, please tell me. Yep. This one is a little donut hole, has sprinkles, and I just realized it's a green frosting.
What?
Bright yellow on here. Stop, Paisley, please. Trying to film a video. Thank you. Then I have a yellow. Tiny panda bun, panda bun, and the pink panda bun. And they're tiny, and this is their mother. Look at that. Look at the comparison to these. And then I have this emoji one. It's very squishy.
Wait, let me find it.
It's just, yeah, just nothing really to say about it. And this macaron. It's actually, no, it's macaron. I think macaroon.
Guys, comment down below.
How are they going to comment down below? They're going to spell it the exact same.
M-A-C.
They're both spelled the same way, but
R-O-O-N.
they're both spelled the same way. It's just the same word spelled the same way, but people pronounce it differently.
Comment down below hashtag Peyton.
Or hashtag Araya. Hashtag Peyton, hashtag Araya. How you spell Araya is A-R-A-Y-A.
You can just put Ray.
Or Ray, R-A-Y. Hashtag macaron, hashtag macaroon. So yeah. That I have this Hello Kitty one. It has sprinkles, some chocolate, and a red bow. It's not squishy, but it's also very decorative. That's what I like about it. This one is also like this stress ball that's not squishy. It's just a baseball.
Oh. Okay, you're talking about that one.
This one is just a bear bread with its ear dipped in chocolate. It's squishy, but not slow rising. It's like fast rising. Now I have a turtle. I ripped off the mouth. Sorry, turtle. Oh. Yeah. It's not squishy either. It had a brother and his head got decapitated. I'm sorry.
That one's
It fell off. So this is another I Bloom squishy. It's the orange. It's actually very squishy.
Smell good.
This?
Yeah.
Because there is no smell.
You said on them they smell good.
Yeah. The peach does. The peach smells like flowers. Peach.
What about this one?
That's not a squishy.
Show them it.
I will. Hold on. I'm going to put them all back. Can you put those all back, please?
What?
All my squishies, please? Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to show you this. This used to have that stuff in it, you know, it's plastic. See, listen. Yeah, but when you squish it spelly, or like if you squish it good enough, like the thing comes out right here. But my friend ripped the thing out. The friend that gave me all these squishies, except for some of them. Your turn.
My first one is this.
See, I told you she had a hamburger too.
And I was trying to make it look like somebody bit into it.
Mm-hmm. Except Paisley actually did bite that.
This is not very detailed.
Let's get mine.
No.
Look at mine. You're
in the arms of an angel.
okay.
I'm actually crying.
Don't cry. No one likes sad people.
Second one. Ice cream. So if you know the
Paisley.
I got this for Christmas.
They didn't know. She's like. This was her face.
No, it was like this.
That's what I did.
So, I'm trying to film a video here.
Oh, this paper scared me. It just came out of nowhere. I thought it was a stink bug.
What are you eating?
You dropped sour cream on the ground. This time I'm going to hold her backwards.
My second one is this.
But not backwards,
my cousin, who's a baby, his name's Leo, he bit this. But my only question is, if you think like, oh, this is ice cream, I should bite it. Don't bite the bowl.
Bite the actual ice cream.
Or at least
You got that question from our uncle.
At least the strawberry. No, I got that right when Leo bit it. Right when we got off the car and I saw the bite, I was like, why did you bite the bowl?
Okay, move on.
Next one.
Oh!
You guys can see all the squishies down here. My next one is popcorn.
Paisley!
So,
Paisley!
it's very slow.
Oh yeah, we didn't take down our Christmas decorations. There's our beautiful tree still there. Oh.
It's very slow.
And it's January. What? January.
What?
Let's check.
What?
It is January 10th.
What?
We haven't took down our Christmas decorations, and it's January 10th.
Okay. Comment down below if this looks like mac and cheese. Do you think it does, Sissy?
Yeah. Wait. Look, it's a bowl of mac and cheese.
Second thing.
Sorry for that cringiness.
Okay, so just watch the whole thing. You ready?
And you get it from...
Don't look at the popcorn.
No, here. Just do this. There you go. Moving on.
Wait, what happened to the popcorn sign?
It's just starting to rip.
Ew. So, yeah. Next one is my whale. It was a narwhal.
And now it's just a whale.
Yeah. Because, sadly, the horn fell off. The horn was like a yellowish. And then, when I got it, I thought the horn was like a big tooth.
Look at it. So this is So basically, it was like this in her stocking. So she thought the mouth, this little mouth right here.
It was right side up.
Oh, this way. It was like this.
And I flipped it over.
She flipped it over, thinking this was a unibrow. These were still the eyes, obviously, and this was just a big tooth coming to stab you like that. But no, it's a little narwhal, but now it's a whale. And it looks like it has wrinkles on the back of its tail. Look. Watch when I squish it. Hold on.
If you saw the fox, it has like a leopard print thing right here.
Well, that's...
Oh, yeah.
In the arms of an angel. I'm just kidding, guys. So, guys, I really hope you like this video. Subscribe. Comment down below, hashtag macaron for me. Well, hashtag Peyton or hashtag Araya for macaroon.
Don't look at me.
Comment down ideas.
Bye.
Some video ideas. And like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Stop turning off.